Hello mga kapuso, it's Sam Concepcion. I'm here for Bongga Kaday, Ani Batong Bakal musical. I play the role of Romer. Super excited. Excited ako makatrabaho sila Tasha. First time ko rin makatrabaho si Anthony, Jeff, and some of the creators here in the show. It's a big show. It's a big musical, big franchise. And so we will not stop at anything to provide an entertaining show. Excited ako for the music. Excited din ako for the dancing. It's a dance-heavy show. It's disco themed. So we aim na sana yung mga manonood ay uuwing masaya at sumasayaw. I think with any role and with any show, I think doing your work and really knowing who your character is, yung kilalanin mo siya na para siyang isang tao. Really know him, know that person. If we have a better understanding of who they are, we're better able to express what the character wants to portray. So I try to do that in any show. Everything is a challenge. Feeling ko pag hindi ako kinakabahan, that's a bad sign for me. Kasi ibig sabihin you're too lax or you're not you have to be on your feet all the time, basically is what I'm saying. Kailangan you treat everything, every show like it's new. You have to come in fresh kasi yun yung hinihingi sa atin ng stage, yun yung hinihingi sa atin ng material, ng mga cast members natin, at yun yung deserve ng audience, diba? Your best. So I try to do that.